So, Rabbi usually that was speaking about several different topics on his last Shiurim, and he mentioned this thing of mentally sick people. People that have to take medication in order to function, which is very unfortunate. So I was thinking, since everything that Hashem does is fair, what did a person do in a past life in order to deserve to be born with this problem, if you will?
So I mean, that's the topic of reincarnations. I never learned like deep inside of this reincarnation, of course, but it could be many possibilities, endless possibilities. So on one hand, for example, if a person is totally Shoteh, right, totally like not sick person, so he's not obligated to do all of the positive commandments, but we're trying to prevent him from doing negative commandments. And I had the uncle like this, Oliver Shalom, right? He passed away like several years ago. So, and when he was talking, everybody like was around him. So I knew that, like from I'm not sure when he like become mentally sick. Maybe when he was in high school. Till there he was maybe plus or minus normal, but then something happened, maybe 8th grade, I don't remember exactly. He's of course he's older than me, right? And then he was Shoteh. Like for other people, he sounded like a very intellectual person. He was like he would like to read books, and he would like watch movies. He was going to the theaters, and he was speaking like a very high in intellectual language, but he could not like take care of himself. You understand? So a person like that, he was absolved from positive mitzvah. Of course, we try to prevent him from doing negative mitzvah. But if he decided to go, I mean, he lived independently to go and eat not kosher. I mean, go stop him. Right? He lives in another country, in another city. Like, go stop him, right? So why would it be? Like, because he had a different tikkun. Maybe I don't know what. I mean, he was not obligated to do mitzvah, but maybe he was sent here for some kind of suffering. I don't know if he suffered, or like in my mind he was also like cheerful and I don't know. But Hashem has his reasons why he does that, right? And it's always measure for measure. And sometimes the children, for example, Chas v'shalom, when they're born like that, so sometimes it's not only because of them, but because of them, and plus Hashem sent to that family, specific family, for whatever reason, right? So it's not only that soul, but all of the people around are going to like suffer. Is it good? Is it bad? So it depends, as we said today, right? In this book, it depends how you're taking the suffering. If you're taking the suffering because Hashem sent it to you, and you're trying to do your best, and you accept as a hand of Hashem with love, and so that's the best thing that could have happened to you, right? And we had it in one clip. I'm not sure if we released it or not, but I finished that. I don't remember. It's maybe from Yeshayahu. Maybe it's from Yeshayahu, but he said Hashem loves you know how Hashem described his lovers. Yeah. So he said the ones that take my sufferings, that take suffering that I send you with love. That's Hashem said. That's my closest one. So you understand. Okay, but all specific things, it's for sure we know measure for measure, but what measure after 120 years, we'll have a privilege to ask Hashem directly what was it for. But on one hand, on the other hand, I would just say when the people come up there's no question. So one Gemara said you will be allowed to ask all of the question why this and this thing occurred in your life. And other hand, you say there is no question, and they explain, yeah, there is no question. When you come up there, so when everything is clear. So in this world, we see everything like there is a light, divine light. And divine light does not have a limitation. So the limitation is by us. So, and Rabbi Dessler explained, so what is like divine light can penetrate any wall, right? Any wall, right? But sometimes we have this blackened window, right? The blackened from the dust, from nobody took care of it. Maybe they have candle next to like blackened window. So that's what it is. So the light is there, but people choose not to see the light. Okay. Right. What else?
No problem.
You're welcome.